Hello friends and welcome to another episode of Momo Makes. I'm your girl Momo. I do DIYs, upcycles and sewing projects. This is the upcycled pillowcase dress I made for Little Dresses for Africa Dress Challenge. I started out with a white pillowcase which is 27 inch long, so my dress falls in the medium size category. I'm making a fiesta style dress with appliques. I measured and cut 9 inches from the top fold of the pillowcase to form the bodice. The skirt of the dress has applique embellishments, which I took inspiration from this cute cactus print fabric I used. I already had it in my stash. The flower pot, which would also be the front pockets, are cut from the printed fabric. The cacti are green appliques that I hand drew and cut out. I used liquid stitch glue to hold the appliques in place. While the glue was drying, I worked on the bodice. For this, I cut open the sides to make the sleeves and cut out a neck hole with a keyhole opening in the back. I'm using orange bias tape to finish the neckline, sleeves, and pockets. I cut out a cactus print applique from the printed fabric to apply to the bodice and glued it in place. Once the glue is dry, I did a simple running stitch on my machine around the cutout shapes of the cacti. I also made the veins to give the cacti a realistic look. I then attached the pockets, so the cacti are coming out of the flower pots, which are also the pockets. To assemble the dress pieces together, I marked 4 inches on the sleeves and stitched these shut. I then did a basting stitch on the skirt and pulled the threads to create the gathers. The bodice and skirt pieces were pinned together and sewn. I serged all the inner seams to make the dress neat and added decorative top stitching along the pre-made hem to give it a customized look. Here's the final dress. It was such a simple project and it was such a joy to make. The dress turned out so cute. If you like this dress, please vote for me and look for more fun projects on my YouTube channel. Thank you.